What's going on, guys? So we are gonna go move the lymphatic system. It's minus 30 right now. That's not stopping us. We're gonna go for a bike ride, get some fresh oxygen. It's really important to move the lymphatic system every single day, whether that's just going for a walk, jumping on the rebounder, going for a bike ride. Even going in the sauna is really good, just to sweat and really pump the lymphatic system to eliminate toxins. So every day I like to try to get out, get some oxygen, get some blood flowing, get lymphatic system moving, and get sweating. So let's do this. Hey guys, so we're out here, the great outdoors. Just love being out here, getting some fresh oxygen, sunlight, just having some peaceful time to yourself. And I talk a lot on my channel about the benefits of eating lots of fresh fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, doing some fasting, fruit fasting, even intermittent dry fasting is beneficial. But I don't actually talk too much about oxygen, which is one of the main fundamentals in healing the body. Oxygen has, just alone oxygen can do so much for your body. And getting that into your cells, and that's one of the main parts in regenerating and waking up the cells. We can use herbs and fruit, but it's really getting in fresh air, deep breathing. And I think a lot of our illnesses today, the stress is tensing up and locking kind of the stress in, and we really need to just deep breathe, release, and do some even meditation can really help. And trying to just breathe, laugh, have fun. And that's really what it's all about. Is stress can be such a killer on people. Even if you have a healthy diet, if you got stress, that can be very acidic on the body. And it's all about taking time out for yourself and finding that even if it's a half hour, hour a day, even if you have to wake up a little bit early, or take a break out at lunch and go in nature. I sometimes, in the summertime, you guys might have saw me taking my bike out just because I just love getting out of the concrete jungle at work and getting into nature. That's where the oxygen is. That's where the healing is. And yeah, let's go for a bike ride. I thought I'd just have some fun with the fruit. Maybe I'll do some ASMR fruit, just some funny stuff. I don't know. My last meal, what I'm going to roll with are just the grapes. We're just going to keep rolling out with the grapes. And to be honest, guys, when you are working on the lymphatic system, your kidneys, you really just want to keep it light food, because it's just easy on your whole digestive tract. And we want to really focus on giving the kidneys a rest. Even though you're still consuming food, the fruit is very, very easy on your body. And the lymphatic system is what we really, really want to focus on. And how to do that is by opening up the skin, trying to open up your kidneys to get those to filter, and just start opening up everything. You're already going to have quite a detox symptoms just going off on the fruit, especially if you're coming off of processed food, junk food. So I really like the fruit. It's fairly gentle, especially the grapes. Some people may go into watermelon, which can be very it could be pretty hard on you, the watermelon, as well as even some of the acid fruits like your lemons or oranges like I was eating. But I worked my way up, and so I'm all about transitioning, and I feel like that's in my opinion, that's the best way to go about doing this. I like to do these, cleanses now and then, these detoxes, digging in deeper. This is what I mean by digging in deeper, is we're just going to do all fruit all day. And there's nothing wrong with that. Some people are scared to do that. And you guys, this is where the health is. This is where the hydration is, your antioxidants. And I like to do this every now and then just to give my body a break. And then we can, start rebuilding and, bringing in other types of foods. But especially over, Christmas and the holidays, we may tend to go towards the cooked food or the processed food. And really, the raw food is just very, very gentle on the body, especially your fruit. So I'd like to do these fasts now and again and just give my body a break and really heal. So this is what I'm coming out with. This is all about raw generating your human body and seeing what we can do. And I'm just feeling so much more energy, you guys. It's unreal. And even just biking, I felt so light. I just felt super light. It was just, I love it. And sometimes I find I'm talking a lot, so I have to kind of bring my energy down and kind of balance out a bit because I'm not used to this type of energy. So, yeah. So we're gonna try to tone it down, especially for the videos. Some people watching this may be like, "This girl's a little bit too much." So yeah, it is about trying to keep balance, trying to stay in check, and balance your emotions out, balance this energy out. It can be quite a lot, especially going from the dead food that we may have been eating. So yeah. Let me know if you guys want more of these types of videos focusing on the lymphatic system, the kidneys. We can focus on certain types of foods and what works best, what combinations work best. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll get to you. And more to come. Stay tuned. As always, be alkaline, be yourself, and be getting in some raw food today. Cheers.